All of this is oil. I beat the fuck out of my face today. I really did. Oh, look at that. This is the oily side, right? This is the side with the product. Tell me y'all see the difference. Okay, hopefully y'all can see me. So it is pretty much the end of the night. It is literally 11:30. And I've had my makeup on since 10 a.m. this morning, and this is what my face looks like. I'm super oily. Y'all probably can't see it, but I will insert a clip without like all the lights and stuff, just so y'all can see actually how oily my skin is and how this product right here made me back matte without adding like more coverage and more color to my face. So hold on, I'm gonna turn this light off. Not quite. Let's turn this one down a little bit. Hold on. Okay, that seemed like a little too blue, but you get the point. Like, see, look at that. I'm oily everywhere. Some people would think this is like a dewy look, but baby, this is oil. End of the day. But Patrick Star, I love this foundation. Like, I rave about it so much. So this is the Turn Up the Base by Patrick Star waterproof full coverage foundation. Yeah, I think you guys can really pretty much see now exactly how my face is like an oil base pretty much. Yeah, like look at that. All of this is oil. Oh, look at that. All of this is oil. So, okay, my bangs gonna get on my nerves, so I'm probably gonna end up tying up my hair. So a couple Sephora hauls ago, I talked about this Fenty oil control blotting product. So it is a translucent Invisimatte blotting powder. This powder looks like this. Ugh, I lost all my stuff. It's a white base, and it comes with this sponge right here. Now, I did look online to see if I could buy multiple of these because I don't want to have to be reapplying this, you know, over several wears of using this. So I looked online to see if I could buy another one of these, but it doesn't look like she sells these as an individual. But I used it and I washed it and it turned back looking just as new. So none of the makeup was here. But one of the things that really got me is this is supposed to be like a blotting powder that will not add color and will not add more coverage or more cakiness to your makeup. I did try this out like 6-7 years ago when it first came out. Loved it. I don't know why I stopped using it, honestly. I don't know. Anyway, so I'll do one side of my face so y'all can see. Let's come out white on here, and then I'll turn the light off so y'all can see it. Oh, God, I'll probably wait. Okay. So that's my makeup on here. And what you want to do is just press into the skin. And so like I get really oily on my eyebrows, so I'm gonna take it on my eyebrows. Why I do both? Anyways, I think y'all get the point now. So this is what my face looks like. Now I'm gonna turn this light off so y'all can see. Do y'all see that? Tell me y'all see that. This is the oily side, right? This is the side with the product. Tell me y'all see the difference. Because I definitely see the difference through my viewfinder. But please let me know if I'm not tripping. Because like the way my face just literally went back to, yeah. you need this. If you are an oily girl, even if you're not oily, I definitely feel like this is a great way to touch up your makeup without having to add more of a loose powder or your foundation powder and adding more coverage, which sometimes leads to more cakiness or leads to a cakey look. I feel like this is perfect. It does come off like a little bit on the white side, but it's not like, it seems like it just melts into the skin as you continue to pat, as you guys saw. So yeah, 10 out of 10, highly recommend for sure. Look how I'm oily right here. And right here, you just see how beautiful my... I beat the fuck out of my face today. I really did. Yeah. I'm going to do the rest of my face, but like, maybe keeping the lighting like this. I don't know. I feel like it's too dark. Here we go. So let's go in with another layer. I really don't like this. I don't like using a sponge, but I don't know how it will look if I don't. So I'm gonna just go in right here first because this is clearly an oily spot for me. Look at it instantly, and I haven't even like really patted it into my skin. What y'all think? Okay, so let's turn the light back on. All right, and this is what it looks like after. I want y'all to see how this looks. It is super convenient to just throw this in there and put it in my purse and I'm ready for the day. But I know if I do that with this, I'm going to break out. My skin is going to go crazy. So I feel like I'm going to have to wash this after every application. Like, y'all let me know if y'all have this below in the comment section. If y'all do, what are y'all doing with the sponges? Are y'all using a powder instead? I mean, are y'all using a brush instead of the sponge? I just feel like the sponge, you can literally tap it into your skin and it literally melts, as you guys saw in the video. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys decide to go out and pick up this Invisimatte product from Fenty. Let me know if you already got it. What's your thoughts on it? Let me know if you use it and you love it, of course. Yeah, so anyways, thumbs up this video if you guys want to see more makeup videos, and of course in the comment section let me know if I should do an updated makeup routine. Bye.